Today, we are diving into the ultimate guide for staying cool on the go with the top 5 best battery powered fans under $100 available in the USA. Whether you are camping at the beach, spending time outdoors at a festival, or just need a portable breeze at home, these battery powered fans deliver convenience, performance, and value. So let's get right into the countdown and explore each model's key specifications, battery performance, and approximate price so you can find the ideal fan for your needs. First up, we have the Kite Lemon battery powered camping desk, fan portable, the perfect companion for your outdoor adventures and emergency power needs. This rugged and lightweight fan runs on a 2000 mAh rechargeable battery, delivering up to 58 hours of cooling on the lowest setting, ideal for long camping trips, power outages, or backyard hangouts. The battery can be fully charged in about 8 to 9 hours using a Type-C 5V 3A input and also doubles as a power bank with USB output ports to charge your phone or devices while you are away from power. This versatile fan features 4 adjustable speed levels to help you choose the right airflow and a double tri-blade design for stronger breeze performance. It also includes a bright LED light with 3 brightness settings, providing up to 100 hours of illumination on low mode, making it perfect for tents, camping, or nighttime use. The fan head rotates up to 270 degrees, and the durable ABS body with a foldable hook allows you to hang it inside a tent or place it on a desk easily. The quiet operation at around 30 decibels ensures peaceful sleep and work time. In the USA, the K8 Lemon battery-powered camping desk fan costs around $40 to $75 depending on seller and offers, making it a powerful, reliable, and affordable choice for camping, travel, emergencies, and everyday cooling needs. Next on our second list is the Cobbio portable camping fan with lights that is built to keep you cool and light up your space while you enjoy the great outdoors. This fan runs on a powerful 2000 mAh rechargeable battery that can deliver up to 60 hours of runtime on a full charge and even doubles as a power bank for charging your phone, tablet, or other USB devices, making it perfect for off-grid adventures. The fan offers 3 adjustable speed settings to dial in just the right amount of airflow, and it pushes up to 2600 RFM of cooling power so you stay comfortable in hot conditions. It also includes built-in LED lights with 3 brightness levels to illuminate your tent, cabin, or campsite late into the night. Designed with a handy handle and hanging hook, the fan is easy to place anywhere you need it, and its durable ABS construction can withstand rough outdoor use. Right now, this portable camping fan is priced around $25 to $35 in the US, making it a great value for outdoor lovers and budget shoppers alike. If you want cooling convenience wherever you go, this Cobbio fan might be exactly what you need. Third up, we have the Treva portable desk fan, a compact and convenient cooling solution perfect for your home, office, bedroom, or dorm. This fan features a powerful motor that delivers strong airflow while remaining whisper quiet so it won't disturb your work or sleep. The Treva portable desk fan comes with 3 adjustable speed settings, allowing you to customize the breeze to your comfort level. Its lightweight design makes it easy to move from room to room, and the built-in handle adds extra portability. The fan has a 360-degree adjustable head so you can direct the airflow exactly where you need it. It operates on standard USB power, making it compatible with laptops, power banks, or wall adapters. This energy-efficient fan uses minimal electricity, helping you save on power bills while keeping cool. The durable plastic construction ensures long-lasting use, and the modern design fits seamlessly into any workspace or living area. The Treva portable desk fan measures approximately 6 inches per source in diameter and 70 inches in height, making it ideal for small desks, tables, or nightstands. It is available in multiple colors to match your style, and it retails for around $39, making it an affordable and practical solution for personal cooling. Upgrade your comfort today with the Treva portable desk fan. Fourth on our list is the Warmco Ultra Thin Portable Travel Fan, the perfect companion for staying cool anywhere you go. This fan features a sleek ultra-thin design that easily fits into backpacks, luggage, or even handbags, making it ideal for travel. Its lightweight body ensures you can carry it all day without any burden. The Warmco fan operates quietly, providing a comfortable breeze without disturbing your environment. It comes with 3 adjustable speed settings so you can customize airflow according to your needs. The fan is powered by a long-lasting, rechargeable battery, allowing up to 8 hours of continuous use on a single charge. Charging is simple with the included USB cable compatible with power banks, laptops, or wall adapters. The fan head is adjustable, allowing you to tilt and direct airflow precisely where you want. It is constructed from durable materials, ensuring it withstands the rigors of travel. The Warmco Ultra Thin Portable Travel Fan also features a safety protective grille, preventing accidental contact with the blades. Specifications include dimensions of 6 inches by 3 inches by half an inch, weight just 4 ounces, battery capacity of 2600 mAh, 3 speed settings, and adjustable tilt head. The cost of this travel essential is $29.99, making it an affordable solution for staying cool anytime, anywhere. Next, we move to our final pick, the Frisco 3-in-1 Camping Fan, a versatile solution for outdoor enthusiasts and campers. This compact fan serves 3 functions: as a fan, a flashlight, and a power bank, making it perfect for camping trips, hiking, or any outdoor adventure. The fan features adjustable wind speeds, allowing you to control airflow to stay comfortable in different weather conditions. It comes with bright LED lights that provide reliable illumination in dark tents or campsites, ensuring safety and convenience during the night. The built-in rechargeable battery is powerful enough to run for several hours, and it also functions as a portable power bank, so you can charge your phone or other small devices on the go. Its lightweight and foldable design makes it easy to carry and store in your backpack or camping gear. The Frisco 3-in-1 Camping Fan is made of durable materials designed to withstand outdoor conditions and rough handling, making it a long-lasting companion for all your adventures. Specifications include a rechargeable battery capacity of 5000 mAh, adjustable fan speeds, LED flashlight function, USB output for charging devices, and compact foldable design. The cost of this multifunctional camping essential is around $39.99, making it an affordable must-have for outdoor enthusiasts. So that wraps up our detailed look at the top 5 battery-powered fans under $100 available in the USA. From affordable basic models to powerful wearable solutions that keep you cool wherever you go, remember to consider battery type, airflow strength, runtime, design, and price when choosing. And if you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our product reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, stay cool, and we'll catch you in the next video.